These are the single best inflatable mattresses I have ever used. These are Durabeam Deluxe High-Rise Pillow Top Airbeds inflatable mattresses by Intex. We've got a king, a queen, and a full here. I don't think they make a twin, but I have just freshened up and bought all new ones. I bought all 3 sizes so I would have one for every tent I decide to use. I'm not even kidding, guys. These are premium air mattresses. Look at this. These are 24 inches high. That is like sitting on the side of a regular bed. These do have to be plugged in. They have the Quick Fill Plus internal pump. Plug it in, turn the dial to inflate. When you're done, turn it to deflate. The top on the full and queen are a little bit different than what's on the king, but they are all equally as comfortable. We're going to inflate these in just a second, but let me just point some stuff out here. For one thing, the bottom of these have this enormous wide bottom, the same size as the top of the bed. So the stability of this bed is wonderful. Some inflatable beds come in at a slant, which kind of makes it feel like it's going to fall over. Some of them slant outwards, which just ends up taking way too much space in your tent. But the bottom on all 3 of these is perfectly the size as the top. If we look at the back here, you can see where there is a structure inside made of like a mesh material. So it does give you separate beams throughout the actual mattress, while at the same time allowing airflow through all of them. And that's what gives it its strength and stability, as it says over here. You can see with this weight on a traditional airbed, it kind of sinks in. On this one, it is pretty firm, but even if you don't like firm mattresses, it is very comfortable. I have not found it to be an issue on the king size at all, but I do love how both the queen and the full have this ring around the outside where it kind of helps you to feel like you're not going to roll off the bed. So we've got all 3 of them opened right here. We got the king, the queen, and the full over here. As you can see, they come wrapped in a tight little package in plastic. They do all 3 come with a storage bag. And before I even go any farther, I will tell you the weight limit on all of these is 600 pounds each. These also come with an instruction booklet and a repair patch. This is our pump on the end here. You can see one side says deflate, one side says inflate. As we pop this little part open here, we have our power cord. Unfold the mattress, pull your power cord out, plug it in, and turn this to inflate. You can hear it turn on. So there we go. There's the king size. You can see this thing is absolutely enormous. Like I said, it's 24 inches high. So as I said, this is a pretty firm mattress. As I sit on the side, you can see that it holds my weight and lets me sit perfectly fine, just as if I were sitting on a regular mattress. Laying down on the mattress, this thing is super comfortable. I take this mattress with me every time I go camping, unless my tent is too small for it. But I have giant inflatable tents like the Panda Air Large or the Cootie Koala 7 from RBM Outdoors. Now, like I said, once you're done with your mattress, you just want to come up here and turn this to deflate, and you can hear the air coming out already. You can pull out your cord and plug it in. And once you do, as you can hear, it does turn on the power and start to power deflate the mattress. It's going to suck all that air right out of there. Once you've got it deflated, fold it back up, grab your storage bag, put it right in the bag, pull the drawstring, and there you go. Now, can you get this back in the box? I don't know. I mean, if you pack it tight enough, I'm sure you can get it in there. But this bag is very oversized. You can see there's a lot of extra space in there, and that is simply for the purpose of storing it in this bag and not needing to get it back in the box, which is also exactly why I'm not going to take either of these out of the box right now. I need to put these in storage, but I did want to show them to you. And really, like I said, the only thing that's different between these and the one you just saw inflated is the pattern on the top. This is more of like a pillow top pattern. The other one has just the Durabeam tubes. They are all just as equally awesome and comfortable. Now, I get these at Walmart. The king right now is $134. The full and the queen are on sale. I believe the queen is $70 and the full is $60. Don't hold me to that, but it's very close. If I can find a link right here, I will put it in the comments or tag this video in some way so that you can take advantage of that sale. Otherwise, get down to Walmart and get one, because these things are awesome and that's a great price.